How to find XRP destination tag on Trust Wallet. So if you want to find the XRP destination tag on Trust Wallet, then first you just need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log into your account by providing your passkey or your login information or your fingerprint or any options. Once you've done, you have to use the search bar which is on the top. So you can simply tap on the search bar and then you need to type in XRP. Once you type XRP, you just need to tap on it, and here you will have two options, which is send and receive. As you want to find the XRP destination tag, it simply means that you want to use it to receive XRP. So you will have to tap on the receive button where you're going to see a QR code, and underneath it you're going to see the options of XRP wallet address. And if you read on this page, you're going to see that in order to transfer the XRP, you don't need to have any tag requirements. So basically you can use this QR code and this wallet address in order to deposit your XRP to Trust Wallet. So that's how you can find your XRP destination tag, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.